Let's go walking with the folks. We've been having some storms this morning. Some thunder and lightning. It's not raining as hard now. I got my raincoat on just in case. We gotta look see how much rain we got so far, but anyway. Anyhow, oh, they're pulling me. Stay up here, Barkley. Might be soggy down there. Might be flooded. I was trimming my lettuce yesterday. Puppies are pulling me, and I'm gonna transplant them into pots because I don't want them to bolt. But it's still raining likely, so you gotta take them out see if they want to use the bathroom. Barkley was tied out the front earlier, and he didn't do nothing. I was towed. Rain just started a few hours ago, so we're supposed to have rain most of the day. Storms, not as bad as some people, but storms nevertheless. I saw lightning. I hear thunder. Trying to draw more butterflies and hummingbirds around here. Good girl, Lucy. I'm going to try to draw more dragonflies too, because they eat mosquitoes and gnats. Lucy, don't smell your own pee. Come on, Barkley. You're getting the Barkley habit, Lucy. We're trying to get him out of that habit, and you're trying to get into it. Anyway, if anybody good boy Barkley, if anybody just watched my short videos with usually less than a minute, then you see more on my longer videos. The YouTube shorts can't be over a minute. Then I put them on TikTok too. Out won't be going today because no sunshine. At least get filled up with water. And there's my butterfly. Wind chimes, I like that. Yeah. Well, thanks to folks for walking with us. Yes, thank you, folks. We go in the rain. That means we had to go. Thanks to folks for watching. Tell them you appreciate them. Thanks for watching, folks.